Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Facebook posts from a certain year. The first thing what you need to do, you need to get up to your profile section on your account, and when you get up into that section, just tap on the three dots, not here, on the second one, and now here you're gonna find out the selection which is on the fifth up. It says activity lock. Click on activity lock, and then here you're gonna be able to take a look on that section which is managing your activity. Now here you're gonna find out that section which is your posts. Go for that selection, and here you're gonna find out also that sectionable option. Go for photos and videos, and now here on your posts you're gonna find out every single post on that, including a post from a certain year before setting on your date. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.